Hi and welcome to Add More Zest. My name's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and it's time to showcase my heaven and earth design in all its glory, the best way I can at the moment. So I have found floor space big enough to lay it all out. I am going to sort of scan the camera down it now so that you can see it all, and then hopefully I will be able to get it in full. I do apologise for any rocking. I've currently got feet either side of this to try and be able to get sort of the best overshot, should we say, of it, but it is looking amazing. I'm actually walking on the middle of it now because I'm less likely to knock myself over with it, but I am absolutely loving seeing it all laid out. I kind of feel like I need to turn the camera the other way to get a bit more of an amazing shot, but you can see the detail. So if I try and get in as close as I can, you should see me now hunchback over with a camera in front of me, but look at the way those lights shine like lights. It's amazing. So I'm going to try and walk up it now slowly so that you can see some of the detail in it. Just the fairies. I'm so glad I haven't stitched this, but I'm also so glad that I have finished it in a diamond painting, because the detail is just amazing. And will call me walking on it, me pushing down the diamonds. I did check, I did find a couple that had popped out. However, I do have some stuck to the sides for when it's needed. But yeah, let's go sort of this away. You'll have to excuse, say, the socks. So you can tilt your head sideways and potentially see a little bit more. I don't know where this is going yet. I'm not completely sure on where I'm going to put it, but it's done. It looks absolutely amazing. And if you keep your head tilted to the side, let's see if I can get, there we go. So that is most of it on show. You'll have to excuse the lighting. It's not awful, but it's not the best. It's raining here, but it's the UK. That's what it does. So yeah, it is 2.5 meters long and 40 centimeters across, but it is absolutely beautiful. So thank you so much to everybody that joined me for this process over the last 4 years. But she is complete, she is safe, and she may be put up at some point. I'm just not exactly sure where yet. But yeah, thank you all so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.